Good day, good day, good day, divergence traders. How are we doing today? Well, I want to call y'all divergence traders. I hope that's what you're trading, because that's what I'm showing you here. That's what I'm sharing with you. Did I invent it or learn it, and discover it myself? Of course not. No, definitely not. Had a very good friend from, all that I'll say is the city of where he comes from. He's also a Canadian like me. I believe he lives in Calgary, Alberta. I used to live in Edmonton, Alberta back in the 80s. A lot of beautiful, beautiful women there. Oh my God. So beautiful. Anyway, let's get to it. So this is the 5 minute. This is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ. No. This is the NASDAQ. Okay, we're on the 5 minute. See, look up at the top there by that triple top. We're on the 5 minute. I like to show you what time frame we're on so you can, refer to it on your own chart. So we had a triple top here. Now the open was right here. Okay. You see how they're bastards. Or the algo is a bastard. Let's just say Al is a bastard. I call the algo that's running this freaking game, casino, whatever you want to call it, I call him Al because he's an algorithm. Just like ICT has been saying. It's not run by volume of buyers and it's not run by volume of buyers and sellers. Please excuse my little brain fart and speech fart that I just had. It can happen. This is what I've noticed, since I've had my strokes. Anyway, so I did this trade. I sold exactly right there, okay? Right on the open of, actually I was in it before that, but right there, okay? Yeah, so that's the, yeah, it's about right there. That's where I got in, and I took her down to here somewhere, to the wicks, I believe it was. Where is that indicator? Let me pause here for a sec. Okay, once again, I had so many templates for so many different things. I just deleted them all this morning because there's only one I really want to trade from, and that's this one. But anyway, I just added my whole numbers indicator right here, 15,000, see? 14,050, 14,000, or no, yeah, 14,900. I just added that on. Now we're good to go. Sorry about that. So anyway, yeah, I took the profit on the sell right here, somewhere before that line. Yeah, I took the profit right there. I also did another trade from over here. Once I saw all these wicks, to the downside, you just know it's going to go down. This white line here is the low of yesterday. Okay, so it opened up here. They took the price up just above this high, just because they know there's orders there, and then they took it back up again, which created our triple top. Okay, there's a point to why I'm saying all this to you guys. So let me get to it. Yeah, this one. It's from over here. But it doesn't matter where. Doesn't have to be drawn perfectly there and here. So yeah, it comes to right there. And that was our trade. That was our entry. And it was good. Okay, the stop would have been 47 points. Yeah, it went down 50 something. You would have got your 1-to-1. Look at that, eh? Here we go back up again. And don't be surprised if it goes back up and takes out these highs now. Later into the afternoon. And I'm done with it. I did real good today. All my trades were winners. So anyway, what the point I'm trying to make out to you is this. If you put a line, this is the low of yesterday, okay? You put a line at the low of yesterday, this is the low, and you see right up here, that's the high of the day. And this is just a line up here at the, I believe it's the very top, isn't it? No, the top's way over here. Okay, not even close. Anyway, don't be shocked if they take the price right back up to the high of yesterday. But maybe they won't. I don't know. But what my point of what I'm trying to make is they love to take the price, Al does, the algo, to above where the orders are and to below of major support and resistance areas. They love to take it, and it's known by, how would you say, ICT's new language of everything, where most of these traders, this is what they're trading. You know, like there's these new words. Let me tell you the old words and the lingo, the old lingo and the new lingo, okay? So the new lingo is, oh, it's going to rip up. Rip, right? The old lingo is rally up, okay? And then you have like, oh, they're going to come down and they're going to sweep the low of the day. It's support. They're going to come and take out the stops at the low of the day, just like they took out the stops at the high of the day. You know, it's like somebody's changed the lingo. They're calling this up here. I don't know which one because I don't have it memorized. Supply or demand, whatever it is, up here. Say it's supply up here, and then it's demand down here. And if it's not demand down here, then it's supply down here and demand up here. Okay? And we would just call that like the high and the low of the day or whatever. Resistance, support, and resistance. That's what we used to call it, you know? So the lingo has changed over the years, you know? Like I said, I've been trading since 2009, but I didn't really get on the charts until 2004, 2005. Well, I started looking at futures grain charts, soybeans and corn. It was 2004. They had such a crappy platform where I was. And before that, I would just trade with my broker. I'd call in my orders and he'd place them and make $60 for calling up the order desk. Yeah, buy one bean at $6, you know, or that wouldn't be a market. Buy one bean at market, or that was me that would do the market orders. He used to call them in and put in a specific price. If price gets down to here, I'd say 503. We'll be looking to be a buyer. That's the way he used to do it. But anyway, I just wanted to go say that to you guys. Yeah, you can call it supply, you can call it demand. Well, we'll call it support and resistance. That's it. You know, you want to call it the rip up? Well, it's really called the rally up. You know, and for it going down, you know, we just call it just like falling down, dropping down, crashing down, whatever you want to call it, right? Like right here, from up here, these three candles have freaking crashed down. Crashed down in 15 minutes, like 94 points, almost 100 points. Okay, enough with that history lesson of today, of the old talk and the new talk. Okay, looks like she's going. She's going to go back up now. They came down. They got all the orders here. First, they got all the orders up here. Then it came down. They got the orders here. And by the way, this here, the starting of my gray box window when it's time to trade, it's 10 o'clock. Right here, 10 o'clock. I'm not trading this goddamn shit here anymore. I never get consistent wins out of it in here. Was there even a trade there? No. There was no trade to buy in here on the 5 minute, maybe on the 1 minute. But they made a beautiful trade right here. Triple top, sell, down she goes. And then back up again, and all the wicks. Oh yeah, sell somewhere in here and down. You see, I knew when I was in the trade from up here, right? Where was I in the trade? Yeah, from right here. From right at, well, that's the wrong fucking price. I can't say that. But I was short here, and I knew, not that I knew for sure, but I had a good chance or possibility that we were going to come down and come below the low of yesterday. This white line is the low of yesterday. So my whole lesson here is this. Every day, and I've told you this before, you got to do this. Put at 5 o'clock tonight, okay, go to your charts, find the high of that day, right, which just ended, and put a white line. Well, it doesn't have to be white. Put a line up there, okay, and put a line at the low of the day. And that's it. And see what happens the next trading day. See if they take price just above and below that high and low, like they did today. They took it down below the low today of yesterday. Okay. Geez, I did a lot of talking just for that. I'm sorry. I just wanted to share with you those, you know, all that stuff about the old way of saying it and the new way of saying it. Okay? You guys are the new generation. Okay? I'm the old generation from, you know, from the early 2000s when I started trading. 2001. May of 2001, I started trading. So there's different verbiage today. Oh, look, there she goes. Okay, let's move on now to the S and the P. Okay. Oh, yeah, look at that beautiful trade on the S&P. Woo-wee! I never put the freaking high and low on here. Yeah, no, I didn't because I don't trade it. I don't trade it. So let's just put it for fun. This is yesterday, and that's the high of yesterday. And here is the low right there. Do you see what they did here twice? You see it. Okay. They swept the low right here and took it up, and they swept it again and chopped and chopped and chopped. And according to ICT, they fill their whatever, their buy-sell liquidity, he calls it, or sell side liquidity, whatever he calls this down here. That's what they did. That's what the algo did. Okay. But anyway, let's just get on to my divergence setups that work every damn day, day in and day out. And hey, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. So let's show this trade here first. Yeah, there was a trade there. Oh yeah. Let me show you this trade first. Right here to right here. This is the 5-minute S&P. Right here. Okay. So we make it big. Yeah, that's divergence. That's divergence, man. So you would have got in right there. See? See, it chopped around here, but didn't harm you. You just got in after this candle right here. Got in right here. Your stop would be 5 points, let's say. It went down on you a few points, you know, 1.5 points. Went up, and then the open. Oh, yeah, that's the open. I think that's the open. No. No, that's the news today. Where's the open? Right here. This is the open. Okay. If you were going to do this trade, this is a triple top. See that? I forgot to measure and show you. Oh, shit. Okay, you would have got long here. Your stop would have been 5 points. It went up 13 points. You could have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that trade. There was also a trade over here at 7 o'clock. Let me show ya. I don't want to miss that one. That was a good one, too. Right here. Okay? And you would have got short right there. down 8.5 points, and your stop would have been 4.5, 5 points. You would have got your 1-to-1. Okay. Then we had a triple top here. I don't know if you would have traded. You could have traded it 5 minutes after the open, which is right here. You would have sold it. Okay. Let's get that arrow on there. So, yeah, 5 minutes out. So right here. Right here on the close of this candle, you would have got short. Your stop was up here, like 7.5 points, okay? And it went here, and then up here, and then it collapsed and went down. 20 points down to the bottom there. Okay? Then we had another trade, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed, we did. From the low of this wick to this wick. And right from here, up here like that. And you would have got long right here. 10-point stop. You already would have hit your 10 points just now. That's beautiful, eh? Look at all those trades, ladies and gentlemen. 2 sells and 2 buys. All winners, chicken dinners. All right, let's move on. Sorry, I'm just talking some old 70s talk here. Winner, chicken dinner. All right, let's look at the Dow. Whoa. Look at that. It's almost back at the top there. Woo! Okay. Let's see here. Oh, there's one there too. Look at them all. Oh, I got to show them all. Here's a high and a higher high. Hi, how are ya? And right here to down like that. You would have sold in there right on the opening of the UK. Well, not right on the opening. About 20, 25 minutes later, you would have got short on the Dow. Right there. How much did it go down? 85, 90 points or so. 90 points, and your stop was 36. 36 and 36 is 72. And it went down 90. You would have got your 2-to-1 on that sucker. Okay, hold on. And then we have, basically, it's a little bit shy, but it's a, come on. It's a double, triple bottom. Come on. Right there. Just like that. Okay, would have got long right in here. So this is for some of you guys who trade the, the UK session. Okay, so the stop was 41 points and it went up 80, right? Went up 110. You would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that trade, okay? Now over here, we had another one. We had a lot of beautiful trades today, I'll have to say. Just like divergence textbook, as they would call it. I still can't get over how so many people do not want to trade this. They use it as a filter. Oh, okay, look, there's divergence there too, but I'm getting in because of this. I don't know why nobody wants to use this as a standalone strategy. Because it works so damn well. Oh, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Look, there's divergence on every corner. Every time it goes up or down, there's divergence. And the moving averages cross up and down, too, every time. That's no good. That don't work, man. That's not legitimate. You know what a lot of traders do? They do what I call curve fitting. Okay? So anyway, if they see something that every time it turns up, it's like the indicator that, is telling you the same thing. It's say out of 5 trades, and the indicator say 8 times. Well, we'll give it a bit of whatever. Say 7 times the divergence is present, okay? And 3 times it's not. they'll say, oh, that's how would they say it? Like curve fitting it to the market. That's too many times that it wins. There's no rejection of failures. There's not enough failure. There's not enough indicators disagreeing with what's really happening, right? So people don't believe it. They think, oh no, I'm going to lose with that because I want to trade something that fails 7 times out of 10 and only works 3 times. I'm going to trade those 3 times and avoid the 7 times losses. Do you see what I'm saying? That's what a lot of traders think in their mind, and it's wrong. It's wrong to think that. In my opinion, anyway. It's better to trade what you see, man. And I see beautiful trades every time. And I'll show it to you right here and right now. Excuse me. Okay. We had hidden divergence. Oh, let me measure that one too. Okay, right here to right there. Yeah, that's it. So anyway, this trade you would have sold right here. Your stop would have been, this is the Dow we're still looking at. Your stop would have been 30 points. Went down 50. You got your 1-to-1. And now this trade. You hear that popping in the background? Pop, pop, pop. Okay. So we would have been buyers right there, man. Well, that can't be good. That can't be a good entry. It's way up there. Where's the entry where we get in down here? Yeah, the fair value gap entry thing, where price comes back and fills you, and you have a 2-pip stop loss, and up it goes. Yeah. No, thank you. Not for me. I officially want to say today, I've stopped looking and reviewing at ICT and how the way he trades and everything. I agree with a lot of other things he says, but his entry, I disagree with it. It's not for me. I know it's awesome to get filled when the price is coming to you. Me, yeah, I'm chasing a little bit of a waterfall here, but then with everything that tells me it's going to go up, it's going to be a beautiful waterfall. It's going to be Niagara Falls. You know what I'm saying? And that's what happened here. It rallied up. Okay? And that's it. So, yeah, so you would have got long right there. Your stop would have been 33 ticks or pips, and it went up 60. So you would have got your 2-to-1. Now, look here. What do we have here? Look at that, man. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. That's so beautiful. It's like a beautiful woman. Oh, yeah. A beautiful woman with blue eyes. Yes, indeed. Okay. So, there is a triple top or a 5x top or a 10x top, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Oh, shh, shh. Jason, don't swear. Don't swear. Shh. We have sensitive ears listening. Very sensitive. Shh. Be nice now, Jason. Don't swear. Okay, so we would have got in short right on the opening or close of this candle. Either one would have been good. This was a good sign. We came down and broke through these wicks, see? So, let's say we got in right here. Not right here, but right here. Okay, our stop was 47 points. And look. Went down 155. That's 3x, man. 3 R's. Gotta like it. And there's another trade. Hold on. Boy, my videos have been long lately. Lots of talking. Let me get some water. Okay. So, we have bottoming action down here, don't we? We do. Just like that. Okay. So, we got in long right there. Stop would have been 50 points. Big stop. Yeah, I know. It's, you know, it is what it is. And it went up 129 points. So guess what? You would have got your 2-to-1 on that one. Look at how beautiful that is. It's a Picasso! I wish I knew the other name of the even more famous painter from Italy or France, one of those two places. Okay, so I also want to show you a few other setups. Look at this. There's setups on every move. Let me show you. See? Right here. Lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. A little bit of a lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. Right here. See? A little bit of a little bit of a higher close. And down it goes. Here it is. Higher close. Down it goes. And then you have one here. Lower close. Up it goes. Lower close, up it goes. Look at these ones here when the mark. Oh, I'm getting the hiccups, man. Look at this one, man. Higher close. Look at that. A higher close of a move of 56 points on the Dow. But look what happened if you sold it. Whammo! Isn't that crazy how I've noticed this over the years? I noticed it, I think it was around 5 to 7 years ago. I said, every time, like with I've always had moving averages on my chart. So that's how I recognize whether it's going up or going down, even though they're lagging. Okay? So to me, right from here, when we cross down the 5, the slower than the faster moving average, right? I know I'm looking for sells. And what I've noticed is that every time we're in a downtrend and it's crashing down, I always notice that when it retraces and closes, right? You sell it right there at the top of that bullish candle that would, would scare the living bejesus out of most people. Let's make it big so you can see. See, would you want to sell it right here? Most people don't. They're too fucking scared because they think, oh my God, big bullish candle, it's going to keep going up and then it's going to go to new highs and I'm going to lose. But what you're doing is you're trading like the professionals and you're selling a rally. You know the saying, buy the dips, sell the rallies, right? That is a famous saying from a long time ago. So here's the rally. In a downtrend, you sell the rallies. In an uptrend, you buy the dips. See what I mean? So right here, if you sold it, boom. It went down. Total pips potential, 78 pips. Points. Here's another one. Higher close, sell it. Look at that big candle. And you hold on to the close of the candle sometimes. Sell it right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Another 80 points, man. Just think of these two trades. From your point of entry to your exit, it's 5 minutes. So you did 2 5-minute trades. So say you're here for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Another thing too is most moves, you got to have patience. You got to have, ooh, look at it going down. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. Some goofballs talking right now. Yeah, that's what's going on. All the people long, well, they just handed it to you. Oh, look, now it's going to go to new highs. Go. Why don't you keep going? Go, baby, go. There it goes. Going to go to new highs now. Come on. Prove me. Don't prove me to be a liar. Anyway. Yeah, there it goes. It's going to go up above this high. I guarantee you. We're almost there. There it is. See, I told you what the market was going to do. How the fuck did I know that? I don't know. My name must be Wheeland or something. The best day trader on YouTube. Yeah, my fucking ass. He was trying to buy today and the market was going down. He loves to buy because he knows that most of the time it goes up. And stock market, people love to buy. Anyway, I hope he made some money today, Mr. Patrick Wheeland. Okay, so anyway, how much was this one before this news? So we would have got long there. Our stop was 53. I think I already showed you this. Yeah, it went up 120, whatever. It's all good. What did the NASDAQ do right now? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's doing something similar. Yeah. It's going to go to new highs too today. Guaranteed. I could bet my life on it. Oh yeah. Okay. There we go. Look at it go. Shoot up like a rocket. Look at it, man. Look at it. You could have jumped in anywhere here and made money, but I'm not doing that. I'm finished for the day, and I don't trade news. News will kill you. Let's move on to oil. Look at oil. Oil ain't doing jack shit when whatever this guy's saying. Whatever this guy is saying. Just one sec.